Welcome children. Today we have a doubt solving session. Yes, really I appreciate you. You have a question, it means you are watching the videos. Student, one doubt from the class 9, one student have a doubt on editing and omission. Yes student, I can understand your doubt because till the 8th standard you have a different pattern of grammar. And in 9th standard, this pattern change. Yes, this all grammar points have a separate questions in 8th standard. But in 9th standard, this all grammar points included in a 2 form or 3 form, that is the editing, omission and gap filling. Yes, I can understand your question. So here, I am just solving this doubt which came from one of the students from class 9. That student did not understand what is omission, what is editing. So, I will explain it again. See, first of all, editing and omission. What is editing? In your question bank, you people also have seen one paragraph given there. In front of that paragraph, 2 blanks given there. Now, in editing, only 2 blanks will be there. See. In the paragraph, we have seen one word is there which is incorrect. We have to edit that word which is incorrect in that particular line. So, in every line of that paragraph, one word is there which is incorrect, which is also, we can say, wrong. So, we have to make it correct. How we will do it? That incorrect word, first of all, we have to find. We have to find that incorrect word and we have to edit that word from the line. And that incorrect word we have to write here in this blank. And what is the correct form of that word we have to write in this blank. So that is called editing. Again I am repeating, what is editing? We have to edit incorrect word from the every line of the paragraph. See, now omission. What is omission? One word omitted. Omitted means what? Not given in the line. Here word given, but it is incorrect. Here word not given, we have to add here in every line of the paragraph. So, omission means omitted one word from the line. We have to find where it is omitted. So, first of all, we have to find it. Omitted word, not given in the line. We have to make there, we have to keep that word in the line. So, in omission, 3 blanks will be given there. That is the before, missing and after. Before and after word already given in the line. But in between of these 2 words, one word not given. That is called omission. Omitted that word. So, we have to write first of all here before. Which word is there? Which word is there? We have to find first of all here. Then, which word is after that missing word? We have to write here. And in between of these 2 words, which word omitted? We have to write that missing word here. So, again I am repeating, what is omission? Omission means what? One word omitted in the line. So, we have to find that word. We have to write omitted word here, and omitted word before word which is there, we have to find from the line. We have to write it here, and after that omitted word, we have to write it here. So, in omission, 3 blanks will be there. In editing, 2 blanks will be there. So, again I am explaining this omission and editing with the example. I have written here one of the example. First of all, we'll see editing. We'll read the paragraph. An inter-school football match is being organized among our school and City Montessori School. The match will be playing on 18th March on our school ground since 5 p.m. onwards. Yes, students, here many words are there which is incorrect. Which are incorrect, we can say. So, here many words are, we have to identify, we have to find that incorrect word from every line of the paragraph. We'll see first of all first line. See, an inter-school football match is been organized. See here, been is incorrect. So we have to write this been here because it is incorrect. We have to edit that word. So we have to write what will come in place of been. We'll write here being. So this is correct. Is after is, being will come, been we cannot write. So this been we have to edit. That is called editing. Right? An inter-school football match is being organized among. Here among is incorrect word. We can see here our school and another school, that is the City Montessori School. Two particular school name given here. Not many school. So here among word is incorrect. So among is incorrect here. So we'll write it here. Among. What will come? Between will come. See. So this is incorrect here. Among, between is correct. Montessori School. The match will be here playing. After will be, we cannot write ing form. Here PP form, it means past participle form will come. See, here will be playing. Playing is incorrect. What will come? Played. PP form, what is the play? It's a root word. What is past form? Played. What is the past participle form? That is the played also. So here we can say the match will be played on 18th March on and. Here R will not come. What will come? R is incorrect. R. O-U-R. Because it is given a. See. So here on the 18th March on our school grounds. Since it is incorrect here, so we'll write it here. What will come? From. Since will be used for the years and from will be used for the time. So understood? This is the example of editing. Now we'll see omission. I said omitted one word we have to find and we'll write in the missing word. The television has always very controversial. Here has always, here one word missing. We have to find. But which word missing here and when? First of all, has been always. See, has will come first. Been, it's a missing. Omitted this word and always will come here. Right? So, this in between of these two, one word omitted. Has been always very controversial. While the positive aspects, the electronic, here one word aspects, what but? Missing here. Aspects will come here. What? Aspects of word omitted. So, aspects of the electronic media innumerable. See, while the positive aspects of the electronic media, now here aspects are plural. So, in between of these two, one word omitted. Aspects are plural. So, which word here omitted? So, what will come first of all here? Media. R is missing here. Media are innumerable will come here. Understood? So, here aspects it's a plural, that's why here one word we have to add, that is the R. Media are innumerable. The negative impact children cannot be denied. You can also find that which word here missing? Yes, dear student, here impact on word is missing here. So, before that word impact will come and after that word, that is the children will come. Now, I am repeating this whole paragraph. The television has been always very controversial while the positive aspects of the electronic media are innumerable. The negative impact on children cannot be denied. So here, still you have any doubt, you can ask me by the comment on this video. I have tried my best effort here. I put my best efforts here to solve this question. Thank you and have a nice day.